guess it.
I hope it's not cockroaches like the last time.
Crossing the bridge across the autumn waterfalls takes you to Wonderland. A rhinoceros couple wants to cross it, but the bridge can handle only one elephant's weight at a time. Use Python to check if the couples can cross together.
My head is spinning, guys.
Any thoughts?
For the couple to cross together, their total weight should be less than an elephant's weight.
Yep, that's the condition.
Condition?
The puzzle told us to take Mr. Python's help.
Condition and Mr. Python.
Got this. We need to make a program for this condition in Python.
Correct! Let's write the condition.
All right. Male rhino weight plus female rhino weight.
Should be less than or equal to.
Elephant's weight.